Pip, the clever king. In the heart of the emerald jungle lived a tiny mouse named Pip. Pip was small, yes, but his dreams were as enormous as the tallest acacia tree. Every day, Pip watched King Jada, the magnificent lion, stride through the vines. "I will be like him," Pip squeaked to himself, puffing out his little chest.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. What if I told you that you can also create a complete, beautifully illustrated children's storybook ready to sell on Amazon, Etsy, or anywhere in less time? I'm not talking about spending hours drawing or writing. I'm talking about doing it with one single click. We're going to utilize the power of AI to generate high-quality, unique storybooks that people are already buying for $6 to $12 a piece. Here on Etsy, you can see people are selling these books online. You just have to create an account on platform like Etsy or Amazon completely for free, and then sell your book there and make thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI tool and how to convert your masterpiece into a sellable PDF. All right, so let's get started.
So, go to Google and search for Gemini. Now when you expand the menu, you will see Explore Gems. Click on it, and here you will find Storybook. These are pre-made gems by Google. You can explore the others too, but our focus is on Storybook, so click on it. Here, you can see some prompts. If you want, you can use them. But I'm going to create prompts with ChatGPT. So open New tab, search ChatGPT, and type Write Prompts for Kids Storybooks. And here you go. Now you have a lot of options, so select any one of your own choice. So I'm going to select this one. So copy this and go back to Gemini and paste it. Now click on this Run button. Now wait for a few seconds, and here is the result. Amazing! Look at the illustrations, how clean it is. There is no spelling mistake. You can also check the consistency in the images. And you can see the author's name and page number mentioned as well. The blur area have the author's name here. If you want any specific style like 3D or anime, you can mention it in the prompt. And the best thing is that from here, you can listen to the whole story.
Pip, the clever king. In the heart of the emerald jungle lived a tiny mouse named Pip. Pip was small, yes, but his dreams were as enormous as the tallest acacia tree. Every day, Pip watched King Jada, the magnificent lion, stride through the vines. "I will be like him," Pip squeaked to himself, puffing out his little chest. But when Pip tried to roar, all that came out was a high, airy squeakity-doo. The hippos laughed. The monkeys giggled. One afternoon,
You can also choose the pitch of your choice, low or high.
One afternoon, Pip saw a problem. The biggest, strongest animal of all, Rumble the rhino, had tripped and gotten his enormous horn wedged.
And from here, you can also share it on social media accounts or copy the link and share it your website or wherever you want. But to sell on Etsy or Amazon, we'll need a PDF file. So for that, click on the print button. Make sure it's set to save as PDF and select all pages if not already. Don't change any other settings. Just click the Save button. Okay, so here your storybook is completely ready.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.